videoing?
Yeah, it's videoing right now. Or filming. I can't believe this.
That is so
They haven't even
cute.
opened their eyes yet. You're right.
Look at it.
Looks like it's waiting to feed.
It is waiting to feed.
She better get back soon.
Good, nice pictures, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, let's not disturb them anymore.
Okay.
Just let go.
That's beautiful.
That's a really stupid spot for her to build that.
Why?
I don't know. 'Cause
Predators won't really come. Come on.